Stand left. Go fast. Show your balloon. What you had made.
So your balloon to
Devasis Pradhan.
Devasis.
Sister is calling.
Junior, more patla. Sister patla.
To be on the stage. Please put your hands together, everyone. From class 5th, Mr. Bilal from class 5th. The first prize goes to Krishna Kavita Palida. Second prize, Kriti Crowd. And third, there is a tie, Ira Kiran and Sanvi Pushti. From class 6, first prize goes to Swarnasri Naik. Second prize goes to Aditya Prakash. Third prize, there is a tie between Umran Alam and Advika Ashivera. From class 7, first prize goes to Shoyan Sahu Bhagat. And third prize, Vaishnavi Ray. From class 8, the second prize, Garima Boxware, and third prize, Deba. From class 10, the first prize goes to Suhana Ray, second prize, Anchal Gupta, and third prize, Kritika Sahu. I would like to request our students to give them a huge round of applause. If they are the winners of Thank you, Sister Roshni. From class 2, first prize goes to Nandana Burman, second prize Trisha Pradhan, and third prize goes to Harshit Hansraj Sahu. The first prize goes to Satya Swarup Sahu. Second prize goes to Pratyusha Hathi. And third prize, Swavik Kumar Biswas. Students, please keep silent so that we can complete this prize distribution ceremony as usual. From class 4, the first prize goes to Aradhya Mahapatra. Second prize, Adyasha Pradhan. And third prize, Pinky Kumari Yadav. From class 5, the first prize goes to Krishna Kavita Parida. Second prize, Ritika Soren. And third prize, Pratik Rao. Give a huge round of applause for the winners. Yes. So now the next event is Hindi essay writing competition from class 1 to 10, which was held on 4th October 2023. Starting from class 1, the first winner, the first prize goes to Swayamshree Rao from class 1B. Second prize goes to Shivan Sekhar Sahu. Prize goes to Trisha Pradhan. Second from class 1A, first prize goes to Swayamshree Rao. Second prize, Shivan Sekhar Sahu. And third prize, Kavya. From class 3, the first prize goes to Sriram Rachit Sahu. Second prize, Anam Aryan Pradhan. Third prize, there is a tie, Twinkle Priya Rao and Seti Kusmanjali. Please come forward, my dear students. Twinkle Priya. From class 4, the first prize goes to Aradhya Mahapatra. Second prize, Devi Shagun Naik. And third prize, Adyasha Pradhan. From class 5, the first prize goes to N. Jayashree. Second prize, Anjali Rajas. And third prize, Gopal Krishna Butler. My dear students, please keep silent. Otherwise, we have to stop it here. You will not get any prize more. From class 6, the first prize goes to Rajika Nishika Pradhan. Second prize, Priyadarshini Samu. And third prize, Aditya Prakash. From class 8, and third prize goes to Pallav Kumar Tiwari from class 8. From class 9 and 10 combined, first prize goes to Brini Pallav Sahu. Second prize, and Bhavna.
Negative.
purple almond. Have you ever thought about plants? Yes, we all love to see nature around us. Industries and all, we don't love to see this always. Just live in nature once and you will live a long life. These plants, this Alamanda branchii, this can be grown through the stem, root, branch. This every part can be grown into an individual plant. Here it is buds. As it plants has never, now it has not grown, it is buds and it will bloom. Its characteristics is it's mainly found in the South America. And it is mainly region situated in the Amazon rainforest. Have you ever wondered how it will look like? Its trumpet-like shape gives an amazing, eye-catching look to it. Styled with the greenery, it will be fold your house with decorating. It will make your garden look more beautiful. Not only this, it is used as mirror. So to explain this, I would rather tell my next member to shift to my next member to say the rest of the things. Thank you. Good morning. The history of Alamanda has been dated back to thousands of years ago to its native region of South America. Native regions of South America. It has been known for its beauty and
Landscapers, as its vibrant flower and foliage enhance outer space. In many cultures, it is used as a medicine to treat a variety of diseases related to kidney and lungs. Alamanda branchii is having Alamanda branchii has an captivating smell which attracts many pollinators such as bees and butterflies, contributing to the biodiversity of the area it inhabits. Thank you. I will now hand over the rest to Neharan.
Conservations of Alamanda branchii. Alamanda branchica is correctly not considered as a threatened species. However, its natural habitat is being destroyed by deforestation and urbanization. This plant is, as my number told, that this plant is commonly found in South America. However, its natural environment is being destroyed by deforestation and urbanization, including its natural parts. It is being sustainable by the protected areas and the cultivation land is protected. Now, I will hand over the rest of the branches of the
Here is some fun fact. Alamanda branchii belongs to the family of coffee known as Rubiaceae family. While the blue alamanda does not produce any coffee beans, it has a botanical connection with the world's most beloved beverage. In conclusion, Alamanda branchii, with its dazzling purple blooms and tropical vegetation, has helped us to remind the wonders that the nature has bestowed upon us. As we are admiring its beauty, so now let us now try to conserve this plant and all other plants for the other generations' enjoyment. Thank you for joining the Alamanda branchii wonderful exploration.
So, as the conclusion has happened, before to this, I want to say that this is a purple vivid color shade. So I request to sister, we request you please plant it in your garden and it will surely, I guarantee you that it will give a very beautiful effect to your garden. Thank you so much sister for giving us this opportunity. Thank you sister.
2, the first prize goes to Swayamshree Sahu. Second prize, there's a tie, Ronak Modi and Manmohan Mari. And third prize, Harjeet Hansal Sahu. From class 3, the first prize goes to Rudrans Hardy. Second prize, Megha Sri Roy. And third prize, Ananya Behra. Let's give your hands together, everyone. All of you are waiting for your turn only. Your friends are also getting prize, so you have to give them a good clap. And third, Adyasha Mishra. Best speakers of this debate competition. The first prize goes to Suhana Rai. Second prize, Praneet Pallav, and third prize, Adyasha Mishra. And from the among team, the best team, I would like to call the team members, Ranveer Singh, Praneet Pallav, Bhavna, and Shreya Sikriti Pradhan.
glad.
You are here.
We are glad.
You have come.
We are glad.
You are here.
We are glad.
You have come. 1, 2, 3. Let's give a cheer. Yay! We welcome. Happy welcome. Happy welcome. Cheerful welcome.